Who is Dr. Sara Al Madani?
Thank you so much first for having me, and it's a pleasure to be here in Malta and speaking to you. Sara Al Madani is a serial entrepreneur. She is a single mother, she's a public speaker, and a person who wants to make the world a better place. So basically, I'm a tech entrepreneur, and it's a pleasure for me to be working with Sigma as an ambassador, representing such a big company that's growing enormously all over the world with their events, bringing a lot of people together, adding so much value. It's a pleasure for me to be a face of something that's transforming the message of technology, AI, whatever it is, even gaming. So yeah, it's been 1 year. I've done the one in Malta now, I've done the one in Philippines, and the one in Dubai.
How much has the gaming industry changed over the years?
I mean, technology is rapidly changing, right? And I think the gaming industry became a huge industry, a lot of attraction from all over the world. Everybody loves gaming, and AI and technology has added so much value to bringing gaming home, and I feel like there is so much ease in the industry now because of the changes that are happening.
What about your role in Dubai Housewives?
Oh wow. My role in Dubai Housewives is that, it's a reality TV show, and I am portraying my life, my family, my business to the world. And what I love about the show is that for once there's a window from the Middle East to the West to show them that all the stereotype they have about us is not true. So they can see it on the show. It's a fun experience. I feel like God gave me a window for me to have a voice and to spread my message further.
How do you feel about being so popular, almost to 1 million followers on Instagram? Does this affect you? Or?
No, because fame is great, but with fame comes a lot of responsibility and less freedom. So I don't do what I do for fame, but I feel like it's a byproduct. And for me, if you see my content, all I'm trying to do is spread light, spread positivity, and educate people. And I'm just trying to make the world a better place. So I have a platform, and if I'm not using my platform for something positive, I feel like I'm not worthy of this platform. So yes, it's great to be famous, but I don't aspire to be famous. I just want to, touch people's hearts. That's it.
One thing that I admired you a lot in saying was about empowerment, women empowerment. That you said that women don't need to be empowered.
Yeah.
Why don't we say men empowerment? But
Yeah.
women, what can you say about this?
So the thing is, let's break it down. What does the word empowerment mean? It means I don't have the power, give me power. I don't believe that's what women are. We are powerful. We just don't know we are, right? And this is why I'm using my story to inspire other women to go out there and, do something with their life, figure out who they are, where they should be, how they should be, and just live their dreams. So I don't like to use a word the men cannot use. I don't know. Have you heard?
No.
No. Have you heard empowerment? Because men know they're powerful. But women are powerful too. I don't believe that females and males compete. I feel like they complete each other. So yeah, it's just, I don't like this word. And every time somebody says women empowerment, it's just like, I don't want to hear it. So we can say help women, inspire women. We can say so many words, but not empowerment. Because what you say becomes your reality. If I say I'm weak, I will be weak. If I say I'm strong, I'll be strong. So if I say empower me, I'm literally telling my brain I am not powerful. I need someone to hand me that power.
You speak also a lot about healing. You did hypnotherapy, and how did it affect your life?
I feel like people underestimate the power of healing. Just because you feel like nothing is wrong, it doesn't mean that everything is right. When people go through traumas, we wear a filter made out of our trauma. But the real me is the person behind the filter. How do I find out the real me? It's through healing. And healing makes you a better mother, a better husband, a better father. It makes you a better business person. It helps your creativity in so many ways. And I always say what happened to you when you were young was unfair. It's not your fault. What you do about it when you grow up is your fault. So I feel like people should take accountability and work to become the best version of themselves. And once you heal, you're setting yourself free. You're literally setting your inner child free, the young you free. So I just wish more people would embrace healing, because when and you know, it's funny because when I tell people, you know, healing, some people, they get upset, you know, they don't like it. Nobody wants to feel like something is wrong with them. But the truth is, when someone tells you go heal, it doesn't add any value to my life. It makes you better, it fixes your life. So it's a love language. If I tell someone you need healing, focus on healing, it's me loving the person. So this is why I'm very committed to the message of healing. And as a spiritual person, I feel like you will never have an awakening unless you heal your traumas and figure out who you really are.
Well, you believe in God?
Of course. Yeah, 100%. I'm Muslim. Yeah.
You're Muslim.
Yeah.
But what can you say about holistic healing, to be holistically?
I think, look, a healing is a 360. There is mental healing, there is physical healing, there is emotional healing, there is even spiritual healing. So I feel like if you want the full package and without missing something, then holistic things are important. How you take care of your body, for example, what you eat, what you put yourself through, how you preserve your energy, they're all connected. So if you want to really be at an authentic place in your life that is healed and you're taking care of your mind, body, and soul, you have to have a holistic approach to your life.
This war, will it have an end?
I mean, look, I don't have to be a Palestinian to feel people's pain. Any person from any religion, any culture, any background, when you see the videos of what's happening in Palestine, as a human being, you understand what's going on. So for me, this war will keep on going until Israel gives Palestine the freedom, you know, and Palestine should be free. It's been more than 80 years. It didn't start on the 7th of October. And I love how a lot of people think it started on the 7th of October. It looks like they tuned in at a late season in the show, but if you watch the whole show, there is a story, there is history, and once Israel stops, Palestinians will be free, the occupation ends, then the war will end. Otherwise, there is no solution.
On another personal note, what do you think is the secret of your success in life?
I think the secret of my success in life is that I'm not scared of failure. And when you're not scared, when you don't have fear, you're unstoppable. So I feel like because I'm not scared of what people will say or what I lose if I fail, and I programmed my mind to not believe that failure is bad, I think it's a great thing. It teaches you. And because of that, I'm like unstoppable. Even if I fail, I bounce back immediately. I'm not scared of taking risks. I'm not scared of doing things that are uncomfortable, being out of my comfort zone, because I'm not scared of failure. You know, life is simple. It's short. Enjoy it. You know, don't take it too serious. We're here for a reason, just to enjoy life and to learn and to depart. That's it.
Your future?
Okay. So I do not think of the future or the past, because they both
You live the present.
Yeah, but they both don't exist, you know? The past finished, the future is not here yet. So for me, it's now. I live day by day. That's why when people ask me, what's your plans? What's happening in the future? I say, whatever comes my way, I'll take it. So I do not like to corner myself in an idea that in the future I have to be X, Y, Z. No, because this limits. What if FTS is better? You know what I mean? So I am very open. I'm living, I'm flowing, I'm enjoying, you know, that's it. Because today I'm here, tomorrow I might be dead, you know? So I do not think of later, I think of now.
Oh, your last message to children, youngsters, youths who wish to embark on a successful career such as yours in everything in life.
I think my advice is be yourself. And do not worry about society or how people think of you or will judge you or the stereotype. The minute you liberate yourself from what people think is the minute you live your life authentically. And when you're living your life authentically, you become successful in everything automatically. You attract everything. So my advice is just go out there, live your dreams. Don't worry too much about how to plan, what to do in the future. Just live every day. Follow your dreams, chase them, and be you. Just be yourself. Liberate yourself.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
I need to take last photo for the newspaper.